Dark rum, ginger and lime, up there with one of the best combos ever. The combination's origin can be linked to a household cocktail name that probably springs to mind when thinking of these ingredients, the Dark N Stormy. A theory is that the origin of combining these ingredients together was discovered by the locals of Bermuda in the 19th century. Ginger beer was brewed by British Royal Navy officers to help combat seasickness. James Gosling, who after a failed trip to America, set up shop in Bermuda in 1824, where he sold his own unique blend of rum. With both drinks available in high supply, it's easy to see why this particular theory is a standout from the crowd. One thing for sure, however, is that in order to be called a Dark N Stormy, it must contain a specific rum. The brand of rum trademarked the cocktail back in 1991, so any variation of recipe bearing the name Dark N Stormy is strictly prohibited. As part of our low and no cocktail menu, we wanted to cater to customers wanting to kick back with a cocktail in our spaces without getting too boozy and without sacrificing on taste. Gaining inspiration from the flavour notes and characteristics of the Dark N Stormy, we created our Light Stormy recipe with this in mind. Hey, I'm Terran, Head of Food and Bar at Bear, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make our Light Stormy at home with super easy to follow steps. For this recipe you'll need the following equipment: a cocktail jigger, or a way to accurately measure out millilitres, a bar spoon, a citrus juicer, and a glass of your choice. For this recipe we'll be using 3 Spirit Social Elixir, a non-alcoholic botanical drink enhanced with lion's mane mushroom, yerba mate. Full-bodied and bittersweet, we feel that the taste complements the rest of the ingredients for this cocktail brilliantly, creating a balance of flavours inspired by the Dark N Stormy. 3 Spirit also offer a range of non-alcoholic spirits, which are great enjoyed by themselves over ice or to use as ingredients within your cocktails. We'll also be using Gingerella Ginger Ale by Karma Drinks for this recipe. We use Gingerella in our stores for the fiery kick that comes from organic ginger grown by fair trade farmers in Sri Lanka, with lemons, sugar and spice, and a fair deal for the people who grow them. We'll also be using freshly squeezed lime juice to help balance those deep spicy flavours. Squeezing your limes fresh is an important step to getting the most out of the ingredients you're using, ultimately resulting in a better quality cocktail. Ice. Hopefully we don't have to tell you how to make. And finally, a glass of your choice to pour everything into, preferably one on the longer side. Let's get started. Measure out your Social Elixir and pop this into your glass of choice. So we're using 25 ml. Squeeze your half a lime in. Fill the glass with the ice cubes. Add in 2 slices of lime. And finally, top with Gingerella. Give it all a little stir. And you're good to go. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more cocktail and coffee recipes, or just want to hear us rambling about coffee, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.